Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Beacons.ai review and breaking down what it is, how it works, what's good, and what to consider before using it. Beacons.ai is a tool that lets creators, influencers, and small business owners build a centralized landing page where visitors can find all their important links in one place. Instead of sharing just one link, you can put your website, shop links, social media profiles, videos, products, and anything else on a single page that's easy to share on Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. One of the biggest strengths of Beacons.ai is how simple and fast it is to set up. You don't need coding or technical skills. You choose a template, add the links you want, customize the look with colors and buttons, and publish your page. Because many social platforms only allow one link in your bio, having a Beacons page makes it easier for followers to find everything you want them to see from one link instead of several separate ones. Another positive is that Beacons offers built-in analytics. You can track how many people click your links, which buttons perform best, and where your traffic comes from. This data can help you refine what you share and understand what your audience engages with the most. You can also add features like music embeds, videos, images, and even tip jars or payment buttons if you want to monetize directly from the page. That said, there are some drawbacks to keep in mind. Some users feel that advanced customization requires a paid plan. While the free version is useful for basic link pages, things like custom domains, detailed design options, or advanced analytics may only be available with subscription tiers. If you want a more branded experience that matches your style exactly, you might need to upgrade. Another point is that because it's a single landing page format, it's best for simple link collections rather than full websites. If you need deeper content like blogs or an online store with categories and search functions, you'll still need a separate website platform. It's great for link aggregation, but not a complete site builder. So, who is Beacons.ai best for? It works especially well for creators, influencers, entertainers, and small business owners who want a simple, centralized page where fans can click every important link in one place. If you often post links in bios or captions and want to make it easier for followers to find your content, products, or platforms, Beacons makes that easier. Overall, Beacons.ai is a useful and user-friendly link page builder that helps you organize your online presence in one place. It's easy to set up and offers analytics and monetization features, but deeper customization and advanced options may require a paid plan. If this review helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.